Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Apexel extra short focus 6x monocular telescope lens. This is cool. The Apexel private mold short focus 6 to 20 monocular, small, light and portally, and of course sporty. The Apexel 6 to 20 monocular are always handy for nature exercise or nature excursions, concerts, or sporting events. Of course, you can use that at your next gig on the scene too. It's premium high definition optical glass, multi coated optics which guarantee superior light transmission and brightness for optimal bright, crisp, clear viewing. Comfort, molded grip provides less shake. Very easy to hold steady. It comes with carry pouch, cleaning cloth, and neck strap. It's ideal for water sports, outdoor activities, museum, bird watching, climbing, hunting, archery, hiking, camping, travel, boating, and backpacking, and so many more. It's monocular, widely compatible for smartphones. It comes with the Apexel newest quick alignment smartphone holder. This is really easy to install. And it's 6x close focus monocular. We can close up to infinity, offer magnifying and viewing. The closest viewing distance of 0.3 meter to infinity, bringing us an observation experience we have never had before. We have a BAK4 optical prism, crisp viewing and clear images. We have a multi-layer broadband coating, highlight transmittance, and an HD large field of view, large diameter, large amount of light. And it can be connected to mobile phones to take clear pictures and videos. Small and portable. Take it where we like and where we go. And 0.3 meter close range focusing, precision, matching, and fast focus. The objective lens diameter is 18 mm. The exit pupil diameter is 3 mm. The optical magnification is 6 times, and a piece of lens is 10 elements in 7 groups. You can see a lot of lenses are built in there. The lens material are optical glass. The lens coating is FMC. The optical distortion is 2.20%. The field of view at 1000 meter is 150 meter. The eyepiece field of view is 50 degrees. The exit pupil distance is 15.3 millimeter. The close focusing distance is 0.3 meter. The prism type is a roof. The prism glass material is a BAK4. The lens material are metal. The lens size is 32 to 102.5 and the weight is only 129 gram. The adapter ring interface is M18P1, and if you look on it, it's only 102 millimeter large and 32 millimeter wide, with a BAK4 optical highlight transmission prism. This is high definition imaging, restore the true color. We have on that monocular the objective lens in the front side. Then we have the focusing wheel, which we can manually use, an anti-lost hand strap, an lanyard nail, and a silicone eyepiece. And there we can adjust it for our glasses. We can connect it to a mobile phone and share instantly. With the Apexel special reinforced phone clip, easily to connect phones, cameras, share the video and the photo in any time. And unique lid design. The lid buckle hand strap to prevent dust and lost. It provides us a good using experience. And it's compact and portable, fitting snugly in a pocket, best for traveling. And, for example, we can use it for sporting events. We keep wonderful moments from theater distance or concerts, experience with ideals up close feeling, and wildlife watching. Not miss any detail. exhibition, experience the most authentic treasure across the visual barriers. And it's really easy. We have to focus. We look through the eyepiece and bring the viewing object into focus by slowly twisting the focus wheel knob either right or left until we have a clear image. Job's done. Then we can take a photo or we can only watch it. That's really cool. We twist the eye cap up if we do not wear the eyeglasses and fold it down if we do wear eyeglasses to obtain the maximum field of view. And now we are ready to use our Monocular. We can enjoy the view. It's really easy to connect the clip on our smartphone. Really easy. We adjust the clip and the screw it onto our camera phone. We keep the clip aligned with our phone camera and tighten the back screw to clamp the phone. It's really easy. We screw the Monocular into a clip in it clockwise, and we check our screen to make sure that the lens is centered over our camera and bring the viewed object into focus by slowly twisting the focus wheel knob, either right or left, until we have a clear image. Then we are ready to take pictures or movies. Then we have a lanyard. The lanyard provides portability of the Monocular and prevents the Monocular slipping from our hands when or while viewing. We have to attach the lanyard before we use the lens, and we can do that easily. The canvas protection of our Monocular we have to remove before we can look, of course, and then we can attach them on our lanyard. Here you can see it's really smart designed. When wiping the eyepiece or the object lens, we use the included lens cloth or a soft lint-free cloth to remove any visible dust or debris by blowing or using a lens brush. To remove any remaining dirt or a smudge, add 1 or 2 drops of alcohol to the lens cloth and gently wipe the lens and the eyepiece in a circulation mode. Always use lens caps when the Monocular is not in use. We store the Monocular in a moisture-free area. And we never attempt to clean our Monocular internally or attempt to take the Monocular apart, of course. It's easy, and you can see in a big range by using this Monocular. And you can see it on the lens itself, because on the lens itself there is some information about this tool itself, because we have the optical magnification of 6 times, because it's the APL 6x20M. That means 6 optical magnification, and then there is the 20. 20 means how big is your lens. Okay, this is 20 millimeter. That means 6 times of optical magnification, and 20 millimeter is your lens inside the viewing area of it. Okay, and this brings you 6 times more near on the object, and it brings a lot of light into our eyes. And this is what a good Monocular should do. This gives you a good view, a big viewing angle, and a good and nice photo, for example, or video as you like. This is the really cool Apexel extra short focus 6 times Monocular telescope lens. Oh, and it is an additional thing. You can use it only by your eyes, but you also can dock it to your smartphone. And I think any not only iPhones out there, any kind of smartphones which have a lens or a camera system, you can clamp it on it. This is multifunction use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.